Hello friends, welcome to my channel GoDigit. Today I'm going to show you how to add a widget to a WordPress. So let's open your website. Okay, first of all go to the appearance button. Just took a cursor over here and you can see widget button over here. You can see widgets. Just click on widgets. So you can see these are available widgets over here. There are so many widgets here. See, these all are available widgets which we have in WordPress, and these two rows are according to your theme. This is a setting of where you have to add widget. You have to decide where you want to add your widget. This will come according to your theme. I have a different theme, so there are so many options available here. So according to theme, there will be options available here where you want to add a widget. So now let's choose which widget we want to add. Let's suppose I want to add a calendar widget. So click on calendar button. Now it will ask you where you want to add. Okay, so I want to add my widget in this column, block sidebar. Click on it. It get a tick mark. Then click on add widget. Now you can see under the default block sidebar widget is added. It is already saved now. If you want to write a title over here, just write it down, and if you don't want, just leave it and click on done. Now let's see our widget. Let me refresh my page. See, my widget is here, calendar widget. Now let me show you another widget. How will it look like? Let's suppose I'm going to add a recent post widget. I want to add, or you want to add a search widget, which is a very common widget. Click on search button. I want to add on this again. It is already ticked. Click on add widget. Search. If you want to write a title, just write or leave it. Search. Click on save. Then click on done. Now let me refresh my page. Now under the calendar widget, my search widget is here. So friends, this is how we add a widget in WordPress website. Widgets are also very important. So friends, if you have any query related to my any video, just let me know in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, just go and subscribe my channel for more such videos, for more learnings. Thank you.